The Deputy President will engage with traditional and interfaith leaders on their active participation in responses to HIV, TB, STIs and the COVID-19 vaccination program. It's taking place at Durban's International Convention Centre. Let's take a closer look at how the outreach is unfolding there today with our SABC News colleague Thulani Msimang. A very good morning to you. Thulani, has the Deputy President arrived already?
Yes, good morning, Desiree. From the overcast and wet Durban, Deputy President David Mabuza, as you correctly pointed out, is here. He has arrived to interact with interfaith leaders and traditional leaders around issues, as you pointed out, of HIV, AIDS, STIs, sexually transmitted disease, and other issues like gender-based violence. Is going to be talking around that. And of course, the current important issue of COVID-19 related to the vaccination reaching the required numbers where the country can be comfortable to say that enough people have been vaccinated. What we expect to happen later on, the meeting was supposed to start at 9:30, but delegates are already inside this hall here preparing for that meeting under strict COVID-19 regulations, separated, and Deputy President David Mabuza will give a keynote address after that meeting opens. And the meeting, Desiree, is expected to break into sessions where the Deputy President will meet separately and interact with traditional leaders and interfaith leaders. We've seen members of the United Methodist Church, members of the interfaith, Inkosi who are here, as well as Salvation Army Church. All those stakeholders are expected to spread that message that people should be vaccinated, that people should get their treatment of HIV/AIDS, the respective treatments that people are getting. Sorry, I thought I heard you saying something there.
No, continue.
Apologies for that. And then, as I was about to say, Deputy President is expected after this meeting to move out of this hall to interact with the public in places like Pinetown Taxi Rank, where he will spread that message of HIV/AIDS and another issue of gender-based violence. Mental health is also expected to feature as well, where he will speak with those people, the public, at the Taxi Rank. And later on is expected to visit the TVET College here in Durban, the Technical College, where he will meet as well with people like sex workers. It's an informal session where he'll meet with them, and the youth at that college, the TVET College, will expected to spread the similar message. After that, as you pointed out in the intro, Desiree, he'll take all those messages when he has interacted with those people too, where he will be chairing that first meeting of the SA National AIDS Council, after he has gauged what is happening on the ground, and then chair that meeting with knowing what is happening exactly on the ground here in KwaZulu-Natal and in other areas. So the meeting behind me is going to start shortly later on. We've seen some dignitaries like a Deputy Minister of Health, Ubaba Usbong Sendloma, and I've seen as well, I'm told, that the MEC for Health is here. Traditional leaders are here as well, and members of interfaith community are here. They're all maybe later on expected to travel with Deputy President to those meetings, to those public areas where they will spread that message that people must get vaccinated for COVID-19, that people must take their respective treatments, chronic medication for TB and HIV and AIDS. Desiree.
Thulani, of course, you'll bring us all of those activities as they unfold. Thulani Msimang, they're coming to us from the Inkosi Luthuli Convention Center.